This person 3 times their portfolio in 30 days using our metrics and content. This person covered their membership fees for the year based on calls made in those future forecast videos. This person's up 46.9% overnight. Bitcoin is once again testing structural resistance at $43,569. And our current data shows a standstill. It's going to be a tall task to break this resistance, but based on our indicator data, I think we could move up to $45,000 before a major crash happens. Let me show you how we're preparing for this drop and what you can do to earn the most profit on this move. Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's going to be a great day in the crypto market. I want to let you know before we get started, just a quick announcement. We've released a brand new video. Today, we'll place live market long and short Coinbase futures trades with 2 to 3 times leverage. This is going to be a full tutorial. Access this at the Future Forecast tab on our website. This is a follow-up from the video just earlier this week, a masterclass on how to trade futures on Coinbase with the ability to short, but we're going to go over some actual live trades. You do not want to miss this. This is going to show you how to profit as Bitcoin actually crashes. Now, our members are profiting like crazy from these future forecast videos. Check this out. This person 3 times their portfolio in 30 days using our metrics and content. This person covered their membership fees for the year based on calls made in those future forecast videos. This person's up 46.9% overnight. This person made $4,000 on calls made in that future forecast video. So this just shows you how crucial it is to watch. Members only content, once again, available at the links in the description down below. With that, let's jump into the analysis. We're going to scroll down to the Bitcoin metrics, and the very first one we're going to take a look at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. As of today, we are sitting in excited territory. I think we could actually see a move up all the way to greedy before seeing any major moves down, but either way, both excited and greedy are bearish readings, so we should be expecting moves down soon. Next up, we really need to be tracking whales in this market. We're going to be watching the Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric, and as of right now, there is still a ton of short trade sentiment in the market. It's not quite as strong as I'd like to see before any major moves down, but short trade sentiment is short trade sentiment, so we have to keep an eye out for that. As whales begin to take profit on this move up, they're likely to begin short trading, just as we're going to show you in that tutorial video, to make money on the way down. Keep in mind, this shows you what whales are likely to do soon. It's also important to see what whales are actively doing today, and based on the whale money flow relative to price chart, it looks like whales are actually moving money out of the market as we're testing this $43,000 mark. This is a major move, and if whales continue moving money out of the market, this could result in some pretty significant price drops. But keep in mind, it is equally possible they could be entering money back into the market soon. Whale money is still fairly neutral here, so they really could go either direction. It's ultimately up to them, but either way, we need to be tracking exactly what they're doing. Now, last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. We did just recently get a sell signal, and this tells me that we could see moves back down. Overall, if the price drops, we're going to be looking for buy signals to call the bottom. Beautiful call here before the move up. But if the price of Bitcoin continues rising, be on the lookout for another sell signal to call the next major drop. We have to be very careful trading this market, and you need the best data you can possibly get. The Bitcoin metrics are going to help you do just that. Now, our members get access to the Bitcoin metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Members will be able to watch that brand new future forecast video. It's going to be one of the most important videos you watch in 2024 moving into the bull market. It'll help you maximize your profits. Don't forget about trade setups, where we're currently 132 wins, 0 losses. We just won an ape coin trade a couple days ago. Do not miss out on the next calls. Of course, metrics, morning brew overview. You're going to get massive discounts on our indicators and many more benefits. If you want to get access, the links are going to be in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. Full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for. Grab it quick because price increases are coming soon. It's going to include everything I just showed you and more. And to get the maximum discount on our indicators, you are going to want to snag the membership here too. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we are heading into the live charts. I'm trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. These are going to be crucial moving into the bull market. And right off the bat, we're seeing a less dramatic drop in whale money. This has been updated at this point. And what we can see here is that whales are seeing some indecision. We can tell because there's just such slight movement amongst whales. It is staying within a very small range. So whales are fairly undecided. Some are selling, some are buying. And as we test resistance at $43,500, currently sitting at $43,000 even, we need to be very careful moving forward. And what I'm going to be watching for is whales. If whales move money into the market and bring us back up to resistance right around here, I think we can expect moves back up to around $45,000. But even if we reach that point, we are expecting massive moves down in the market. Now, we've talked about this pretty extensively, but most often before halving events, we are seeing pretty significant moves to the downside. Now, I can already hear the comments asking, Jake, you just said that every single halving event sees significant moves down. And I want to tell you right now, the qualifications for this move down have already been met. Let me show you exactly what this looks like, and we can continue with our analysis. All right, what you're seeing right now is the entirety of the history of Bitcoin on the 1 week time frame. And you're going to notice there's a whole bunch of red charts here. These red charts are Fibonacci retracements using the 786 line. And on top of that, each of these yellow vertical lines show previous halving events. Something you're going to notice is before each halving event, the price of Bitcoin touches and then rejects the resistance line. After rejection, we see a drop, pretty major drop, before we see any further moves up leading into the halving event. That's the first one. Right back here, we saw the second halving event, major drop after hitting that rejection. All the way over here, third halving event, just before that, we saw a touch of the 786 line, massive drop before we saw any moves back up. And at this point, we've already fulfilled the touch of the 786 line. We are just looking for the moves down as we move towards the halving event in April. Of course, we are expecting parabolic moves to happen after the halving event, as we typically see. But this is our main reason. Now let's go into targets. On the weekly time frame, we see the prerequisites for a drop. Price versus well money flow high with whale money actively moving out of the market. Trades in favor high with a 76% chance of a drop. Sell and strong sell signals at our resistance structures. Most often, this will result in significant moves to the downside. And our current targets are anywhere between $31,800 and $38,000. Personally, I think we are going to drop all the way down to that $31,800. And the reason for this is previous signals that we've gotten similarly right here, price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, move down. Price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, move down. Price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, move down. All of these used this ascending structure support as their targets for the move down. So now that we have the exact same signals, I think we should be expecting moves down. And our previous high was $31,862. This line directly intersects with that horizontal resistance, and this is what creates the target. Now, as this drop plays out, in order to call the bottom to maximize my profits, what I'm looking for is price versus well money flow low. I want to see trades in favor low, and I want to see a buy signal at my structure supports. Anytime this happens, price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal, move up. Price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal, move up. Price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, strong buy and buy signal saw a little bit of a drop before a massive move to the upside. This is why we're watching and using these signals as our main targets whenever it happens, either these structure supports. This is why we're using this combination of signals to catch the next bottom in order to maximize our profits before the next halving event. Now, you're going to want to snag these indicators as soon as possible. Once again, they have helped us earn 132 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. They are performing like crazy, and they continue to do so. It's literally just over and over again watching for 3 specific signals to combine before making any moves. It's as simple as that. And with that, I can help you get these indicators for up to $550 off. Here's how. Once again, the links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. What you're going to want to do here is make sure you have a membership. And that's because it is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. $150 off right off the bat. Access the coupon code at this link. click Pro Indicator Pack, scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click Pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a total $550 discount. Click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and we will see you in this future forecast video release today. You do not want to miss it.